So, hi Nitu ma'am, how are you?
Hi, Sonam. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, ma'am. I'm very happy to talking with you. Watching all your so many video, I was very curious to talking with you.
Okay. Thank you for watching my video. I have also watched your video and that was good. You are improving a lot nowadays. I have watched.
Sorry, telling ma'am.
Sonam, yeah, I have seen your videos and you are doing great. So, I want you to tell me something about yourself.
Okay,
Yeah.
I want to because as you know, my name is Sonam and I stay in like a Mumbai. I'm in Mumbai, and but I basically belong from UP side in Banaras. And right now I'm doing a job as an account assistant in a pharmaceutical company,
Okay.
and I'm also doing the study also the final year of my MBA exam. Yes, I'm the
Okay.
student of the MBA. Yes, that's it
And
for
you are
my side.
and you are uploading YouTube videos also. So you are doing a lot of work in one time.
Yes, yes. Nowadays, I literally saying I'm very busy nowadays, along with my YouTube and job, all that thing, and housework also, all that
Yeah,
thing.
every girls and women have lots of work also. So Sonam, one thing I want to tell you, would you like to, if I will correct you one place,
Yes, yes,
you
definitely.
you say I stayed. So stayed is used for short term staying. You are not in Mumbai for short term, na? If you are going to stay in a hotel, in a inn, then you will say I stayed. You have to say I lived. I live in Mumbai.
Okay, I live in Mumbai. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Because
I
if
want to
you're
know. Yes, yes, tell me.
no. Tell me what you're going to say.
I want to about yourself also because as in video I just watch you. Otherwise, I don't know anything about you.
As you know, my name is Neetu Vishwakarma. I am from Lucknow and I am a housewife and I am preparing for teaching exams. I have done my post graduation in English and after that I have done my B.Ed and I have cleared so many exams, but nowadays I am preparing for many more for government
Oh,
jobs.
oh wow. In government exam, like so many preparation you have to do. So
Yeah,
for like which site you want to work in government sector?
actually, I want to work in a teaching section, teaching language.
Okay, in teaching line.
I
Very good. I was thinking about any like a government job in that way asking because you asked telling me preparation of the I was thinking IS and all that thing.
Actually, yeah, I am preparing for teaching exams, but simultaneously I am preparing for others too. I have given a thesis exam also earlier, but as you know, I have two kids, so I have lack of time, and these exams needed a lot of preparation, a lot of time and effort. But I don't have a lot of time. But I will do that in future. I will think about that. If I get chance, I will do these things.
Yes, yes, because like in your family you have like take care of your family member and all that thing is not handled very in one time. I think that's why
Yeah,
problem happens. So,
yeah.
ma'am, I just say you're speaking very well and very fluent. I was, I want to say that because when I'm listening now, I love you like how you speak very well.
Thank you very much. Sonam.
Yes,
Actually,
yes,
I am also learning. I earlier I was not good, and earlier I was not able to speak a line also. But now I am practicing. So on the daily basis, that's why I am like now. But earlier I was not like that.
okay. Yeah, that's why I just seen while you're talking with me now, I just noticed you're speaking very fast and very quickly. That's why I actually I just saw in one video. I don't remember Akansha is name or that girl. I don't know.
And
You're discussing about something preparing about the kheer. Your preparation, how you prepare the kheer, and
Diksha.
that
This was
video
my first video.
Diksha,
Yeah.
yeah, Diksha. I just and you're telling about how you prepare you like you pour and that all that discussion part I listen. So I was love that part how you explain all that thing about the kheer and all that.
Yeah.
So that time I will notice that.
Truly speaking, yeah, that was my first video. I was very much afraid at that time. You can watch in that video. I was shaking like I was fumbling. I stuck many times. So it's take time, and you will. It's at least we have to start now. If we will not start, then how we will go ahead. So
Yes.
that's why that was my first video, and for life in my life, first time I used to speak like 15 minutes in English. First time in that
Okay.
video.
But you explain all the thing, but just one or two thing is grammatical like mistake. But you all the thing explaining very well. I was thinking if I in that place how I explain all that thing, but I'm not able to like explain all that thing in that way. But if explain in very well way. So
Actually,
how many months you like using the Clappingo app and teaching like
actually,
learning?
I have subscribed for 1 month only.
Okay.
Initially, I faced a hesitation to speak, hesitation to start because the people around you will not able to talk you and they will not support you to talk in English. Then that's why I chosen clapping you because those people will help you and they will not make fun of you and they will support you. That's why I chosen and I feel very much confident because now people around you will make fun of you and that can demoralize you. Like initially, and truly speaking, Clappingo create a platform for me for speaking, and I feel very much confident like after taking that classes.
Okay, okay. So you also taking the 1 month because I also take the 1 month subscription because see I want to person to speak because I have a knowledge but I don't the person like that you. So that's why I just searching the person because of my
Yeah.
YouTube. Now I get a person
Ah,
to speaking.
I am very much thankful to you too. Yeah, like we get so many people like you, and we can talk, we can practice freely. Like feel free to talk anything.
Yes,
Like
yes, yes. So now that's why I get a person. So that's why I just stop my Clappingo subscription. I had also completed 1 month. So nowadays I am like daily practicing English. That is a more like a main thing to learn the
yeah,
speaking in English. So that's why I just stop this. So I nowadays I'm daily conversation with people.
this is a good thing. You are practicing on daily basis. This is a good thing.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so apart from these things, what did you like to do in free time? Like, what is your hobby and all?
Nowadays I don't get a free time. Like if you say you get a free time nowadays, I don't get a free time. I was finding a free time because I was very busy nowadays. So before this, like clapping on YouTube, I'm watching a lot of video like English video, movies, and learning the English books, comics books, and newspaper, all the English thing because I was like speaking in English, so that's why I just read all that thing. That's it. And after that, I told you because I'm the student of MBA, so I have the study also. So all that thing is so no need for the hobbies or doing.
Like to ask what exams has been uh,
My exam? You're asking about my exam? My
yeah,
actually my exam is postponed because of the pandemic. It's postponed after April is my exam, but it's taken in the June month in online, not offline. It's taken in
okay.
the online. Yes. So after
Okay.
the two
Like,
months,
yeah, like this, my
yes,
exam is actually my exam was on 18th March, 18th April, and it was postponed. So that's why I getting much time for talking people. Otherwise, I also was
yes,
very much busy in preparation.
yes, yes. So may I know what's the situation in Lucknow of pandemic, all that things?
Yeah, you can watch in TV news channels. Lucknow situation is very bad in this time. I was not at present in Lucknow. I am in Devariya.
Okay, they were here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah. I'm also from UP, so I heard the name of Devariya here.
actually it is my mother's place. I am here. I came here for 1 week. So I'm here. So the everywhere situation is not good. You can watch in news channel. In Lucknow, even there was not lockdown, but people, you because of fear, people are not going out like because
Okay,
of fear. Yeah.
okay.
So in
So like,
Maharashtra, it's not good. Na?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Same thing. In Maharashtra also same thing. Like 7 to 11 shops is open. After 11 shops are all closed. Only the medical and groceries. I think some groceries or shops is open. Otherwise, all the shops are closed. And Monday to Friday, like after 11 and evening, say, like after 11 is lockdown. Then in evening 5 to 7, it's open all the shops. Then again 8 o'clock all are closed. So these two times people can buy if they want anything. Otherwise they are not moving outside.
So, Sonam, would you like to ask me anything? Like, do you want to ask?
Yeah, I want to know how how I want to improve more my English. You give me any suggestions, so I just do all that thing.
See, yeah, you are doing well. You are doing well now. But if you want to improve your vocab, actually, what is the problem na? Now you are good, you have no hesitation, you have confidence. But if you sometimes you will feel like I have lack of vocab na, it is the problem.
Yes,
And everything is clear now. I can see in you. So learn some vocab or on the daily basis and one or two used. Try to use in your conversation. Like you are talking to me na, try to use that word in your conversation, and that's why in this type you can improve and use some phrases also to enrich your English. Yeah.
yes, yes. They definitely. I also thinking all that because same time I'm using the same. So how can I learn the new things? So because when we communicate now people, so that's time now it's not word come in mind quickly. That's the problem. We have a
I know.
knowledge, but it's not come in mind very
We know,
quickly.
but don't worry about that. If eventually it will come, eventually it will come in your conversation. Once you will be fluent, na, it will come automatically. No need to worry. You are doing good. Practice for some time. At least you have practice for like if you have time, practice on the daily basis, and it will gradually improve. It will come automatically. No need to worry, but try to use one word new one word in the conversation.
Okay, okay, sure. I will definitely try this thing. Yes.
So it was very wonderful conversation with you. Interacting with you is a good thing. Like I like your what you are doing and you're learning something new. Want eager to learn something new. It is a good thing in you, and I learned these things from you. Like you are very eager to learning things.
Yes, yes, because see, I also like a people who is like me learning English, and I want to connect all that people. Yesterday, I connect with Pratima ma'am also, and
I wa- I watched that
Kanchan
video.
ma'am. Yes, yes. I'm very happy though for those people are connected with me now. I'm very happy because we sharing our idea and the thoughts, so we get new things also. So that's why it's also one main part to learning with this way also. So
Yeah, you are very true. Okay, okay, Sonam. Definitely, we will meet soon in next session. So,
yeah, yeah.
take,
Okay, okay,
take
okay.
care. Don't go outside. Stay safe at home. Do your work.
You too. You too, ma'am. You too take care of and your family member also. Okay.
Yeah.
So now and bye. Okay. Bye.
Okay.